What? Nothing on your list?
This is Jill for today.
There's nothing on her list. That means we have to do something different, like a signature glass of beer.
Signature glass of beer.
And you notice she's got a dark beer representing the forces of evil, and I've got a light beer representing the forces of good.
Oh, that's such a good beer. No, I don't have a list. I think we're exhausted.
So what's new?
This has been one crazy week.
Yeah.
Crazy week.
And here out in green, progressive Pacific Oregon, we're no different than the rest of the country.
No, we're all having some
We had rioting
problems.
last night. They broke into the police station, set fire, burned cars.
Here in Portland, not in Minneapolis.
No, Portland,
Yeah,
Oregon.
it's well,
It's craziness everywhere.
it is. It's just a crazy time in our country, and I think we're just plain tired.
Yeah.
Honestly, I do.
I know I am.
Yeah, and the other thing to kind of lighten things up here a little bit is I'm gonna take another pull on my beer.
That'll help.
I don't know about you, but he and I are beginning to get a little testy with each other.
Ooh. The forces of evil more so than the forces of good.
Oh my word! I'll tell you, this has been a very stressful week in the Jill for Today household. Well, it's just, I think it's it. I think we're tired. I think we're getting isolation weary.
We made some good food this week.
We
though.
did. What did we make this week? Did make some. I got a couple things on camera.
What did I do?
We did bruschetta,
I did the bruschetta.
and that was so good. Oh my goodness! I'll put a
I
link
was
up
just
there.
saying last night, we need to get some more of those Campari tomatoes.
Oh, gosh,
and
that
do
was
that again.
killer
That
good.
was so
So
good.
good.
Not my thing normally.
No.
Not at all.
And then I made a frittata, which was a very good frittata.
I made
What'd you make?
shortcakes,
He made shortcakes,
which we had strawberries on.
and there's no whipped cream.
No
We're
whipped cream.
trying. And then I made the coffee cake again, that beautiful coffee cake that I did a video on, and I'll list it up there.
Wicked good.
Diane's coffee cake, and that was excellent.
And despite the battle I waged, we gave some away.
We did. He didn't want to do that. No, he did. So we gave some to our little 85-year-old neighbor and the young kids across the way. I also made a huge pot of black bean soup in my Instant Pot.
Which we gave most of them away.
Wait, you know how it's got that line that says Max? If you have an Instant Pot, you know at the top it says Max. I was Max. And it turned out beautifully, and
Yeah,
I
it
did. I
did.
took a big, along with the coffee cake, I took a big bowl, bowl container of it to both neighbors, and we have enough there for us.
Yeah.
And I just felt like I love to cook, and honest to goodness, I mean, this house, we are maxed. Speaking of maxed,
And one neighbor right across the way from us, she's always cooking Indian food
for us.
and bringing over Indian
so
food.
we
It's so
just
good.
trade back and forth.
Yeah.
And so we did that, and I think I've got a load of sourdough starter in my refrigerator as we speak, and I'm going to make sourdough bread tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to
He's
that.
looking forward to it. I got my starter going, and so I hope to make. Actually, I'm going to do that review. I'm going to do that review on the sassafras.
And you still need to do a review of
On
the juicer.
But I'm getting, it's like a big, we're like a big hourglass, all that sand that's up there, and it takes a really long time, and all of a sudden it seems to kind of speed through. Well, I'm kind of in the neck. We're kind of moving stuff down, and so we're kind of getting some stuff. And today, well, of course, Saturday is official cleaning day in the Jill for Today home. And, everyone's saying, well, I'm doing these kinds of projects to keep myself busy at the house. You tell them what you did today, because that was kind of a major event. Well,
if you
it's a
look
big
at
chore.
the top of the screen here, you can see our cabinets.
Backdress of what?
Our cabinets behind us. Well, it's been a while since I've been up there and cleaned those cabinets.
See, they don't, if you'll notice, I'm looking at the back screen here. They don't go all the way up to the ceiling, so there's
Yeah.
a shelf there.
So I got up there to clean cabinets today, and
Oh,
I'm not proud of the
top
way they
of
were, but they needed cleaning.
Oh, man.
So that was quite a job. What else is there? You said you were making bread tomorrow,
Yeah.
the sourdough. we're going to take a couple slices of that, and Jill Ferday is going to make French onion soup.
Yes.
And that you have to have good, nice French bread for the top.
We
of
have
that.
the Swiss cheese, and boy, do I have onions. So we're going to make some. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
that
right.
Sounds good.
Gosh, we're still talking about food.
We're
We're still
always
talking about food.
Since we've been on lockdown, what else is there?
February
Food and drink.
22nd was the last time we went anywhere. In fact, I was talking to the little. So we'd go over to take Marion the soup and cake. And she's like, I said, first of all, she's sharp as a tack. So it's not like she's, but she's 85 years old.
Yeah, she's the treasurer of the homeowners association
And she does
board.
a fine job. She has embezzled and is going to Mexico next week, but she earned it. It's a joke. Anyway, so we go over there and we ring the bell. And we stepped quite a ways back. I mean, like a long way away, just to see her, And she came out. She says, "Oh, hi, thank you." So she starts coming closer and closer, and I'm going, "Oh God!"
I thought I was going to have to shoot her in the leg.
Oh,
but,
I thought I was going to say, Marion, you got to step back. You just got to step back. But we said we got to go, and we got out of there.
closest we've come to contact with anybody is just going to pick up groceries
Yeah.
at some of the grocery stores that offer
Pick
up.
Oh, and my clinic. That one day we went to the clinic.
Yeah, we did go to the clinic to get your blood testing
Yeah.
done. And then since this all started, which is what, for us?
March. Well, the last time we were out was February 22nd-ish.
Yeah.
But the place, things really got shut down like the day before, say, Patty's Day. That's how I remember
We've
that.
had one touch-free takeout meal in all that time. We haven't been to a restaurant,
Nope.
but we did order a pizza one night,
Yep.
and they come out and stick it in the trunk. I've already paid for it,
Yeah.
and we're out of there.
Yeah,
and,
that's the only meal.
and we don't touch the box.
No.
Anything. We open the box, pull the pizza out, and that's it. But we haven't done that.
No.
Especially as things are loosening up.
Yeah.
Things are loosening up, and we think there's going to be an uptick in the number of cases and number of deaths. So we're going to be safe rather than sorry.
You mentioned today in the news that you saw, I don't know how many you saw on Memorial Day weekend, there was this big pool
Park.
Florida, I'm not sure what
Yeah.
state it was in. And it was this huge pool party. It's like a big professional water bar thing. And I'm sure many of you saw it. And this was just crammed with people. No social distancing.
No masks.
No masks. And today he saw in the news,
At least one person has tested positive from that party. So how many people did they come in contact with, and how many people will ultimately test positive as a result?
so just we're staying the course. And
Yeah.
we're happy. We're okay with it.
Except for the testiness.
No, we've been a little on the testy side. But we always make
I've
up.
got bruises that
No, what does my mom used to say? Bruises that would melt your heart or something. But my parents always said, and I think that's true, they did. It could go on for 2 days, but they never went to bed angry. That was something, in a fight. They always said that was something they would never do, is go to bed when they're
Well, that's
fighting.
because one of them was in the hospital.
No, but I'll tell you a little family tale. We were kids. Oh, I love family tales. We were kids. And you're 5, 6, whatever it is. We were Ricky and Lucy, as you might recall. My mom had this flaming red hair, and my dad was Italian. That's
And a band leader.
Yeah, band leader. And occasionally, they would get into a really big argument. And this one time, they got into a pretty big fight, and Mom took off. She's out of there. So she is gone about 45 minutes, and we're, of course, the children are pretty upset, And Dad's being real cool, he's trying to calm us down. So, Mommy and Daddy sometimes fight, and it's okay, nothing's wrong. Mommy's gone, Mommy's gone. So she calls, and it sounds like, I hear the call. It sounds like she's in a bar. A lot of glass tinkling, that kind of thing. She's at the ice cream parlor. That's where she's got. It was a Carnation.
Life on the wild side. Huh?
It was a Carnation ice cream parlor. So anyway, my dad goes, and my older sister Susan.
Did he
took
bring
care-
back ice cream?
No, I don't remember that part, but they made up. But I'll tell you, that was kind of a late night for them. Oh, I just aired the family wash.
No, that's all right.
It's a good story.
Yeah, I wanted her to write a book about growing up in her family because there are so many unbelievable stories there.
They're good.
Some of them are very good. Some are scary.
Anyway, so that's that.
Every family has scary
Oh my
stories,
gosh,
I'm
don't they
sure.
all? Just everybody should write their own memoirs, you know. Well, my love, I guess we kind of
Yeah, we haven't got.
nothing. We got
Yeah,
nothing.
we haven't even been for a ride for a few days. So
No, we haven't. Not since last weekend, and we did take a gorgeous
part
drive.
of the reason we haven't been for a ride is we're low on gasoline.
Yeah.
So
Gotta get
and that's
gas.
another face-to-face thing that you can't avoid. And
Yeah.
interestingly,
Well,
Oregon is a state where it's against the law to
is
pump your own gasoline. However, they have suspended that since the coronavirus, and now temporarily you're allowed to pump your own gasoline. So you can pull up to the pump, put in your credit card, pump your gas, and you don't have to be in
Yeah.
contact with anybody.
well, it's. I think it's just as safe. It's just as a good thing for the pump station operators.
Makes
as
a lot of sense.
Sure, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay, my love. Well, I guess that's it, folks. Like I said, nothing on that list. So you got what you got.
anyway, yeah.
But we're here and we're well. We're feeling good. We hope you are feeling well. We hope you're emotionally, staying tough. If you're getting out there, please be safe. Please be safe. And we're so afraid people are going to get a little lax. Now, I'm not talking about you, but I'm talking about people out there who might become a little lax, not wash their hands, not, social distance or wear masks or. Be safe, and we love you, and we want you to know we do. We think about you guys, don't we? We do.
Yeah.
What are they doing out there?
Who?
Them.
Oh, I don't know.
Anything?
But anyway, yeah, don't listen to the idiots on television or radio or wherever, regardless of what side of the political spectrum they're on. God gave you a brain, use it. Your own common sense is your best
Yeah.
protection. So,
Alrighty.
okay?
Well,
And
until
with
next
that,
time,
yes, stay safe, eat good food,
eat good food.
stay hydrated, and we'll see you soon.
Right.
We've got a couple of product reviews coming this week, a lot more cooking,
All right, everybody, take
and
care.
I'll be doing a lot more eating. The thing I do best.
See y'all later.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.